I've got this high-speed portable turbo fan. This was sent to me by PlayHot. You will get the portable fan, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and this lanyard, which you can hook up to go around your neck. It's nice in your hand here, and as you're using it, it's a rechargeable and doesn't have external batteries. You just charge it from the USB-C port here, and turn it on. It's easy as just a button, and it shows you the battery level right there. I've got half a battery left. We've got 5 speeds on this. At 5 speed, it's relatively quiet still. It is, you can hear it, but it's not too loud. I've got this crepe pivot about 30 inches away from the fan. You can see it's going pretty well. You do have to deliberately push it because I've got my hand and thumb just running over it. It's not going to actually turn it off. Right there. Positioned a certain way, you can also double as a phone stand. It's very lightweight, it's powerful. And here I've got the wrist strap, and you can just put the lanyard in. This is the shortest end of the strap. You can adjust it pretty easily. Give you more slack. This goes out to about 28 inches long once it's extended all the way out. And you just wrap it around your neck like this.